Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to delete a user profile in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog. In the Run field, type Control sysdm.cpl and click OK. Step 2. In the System Properties window, select the Advanced tab, and then click on Settings under User Profiles. Step 3. Now, select the profile of the user account that you want to delete and click on the Delete button. Step 4. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to confirm that you want to remove all the information associated with the user account. And that's it. The user profile will be deleted, and a new profile will be automatically created the next time that user signs in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.